Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a suspension revalve on a WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit and a 2023 WP XACT Pro Shock. One of the cartridges from the WP XACT Pro cartridge kit is laid out here for our viewing. This cartridge was revalved to the JBI suspension motocross spec and is also fitted with the appropriate spring rate for the rider's weight. In this case, we use the 4.8 Newton spring rate. To match, the rider went with the 2023 WP XACT Pro Shock. The suspension is being mounted to a 2023 KTM 300 SX. This shock was also revalved to the matching JBI suspension motocross spec. The WP XACT Pro 6500 kit are these inserts that share many of the same components as the WP cone valve forks. The key difference being that the mid valve, which is located in this region, features shims instead of the cone valve setup. I wouldn't consider this a good or bad thing, more of a lateral move, as it is just a different way to build a damper and create compression resistance. The way these cartridges come from WP is set up for motocross, but is definitely on the stiff side. Much more in line for A-class riders or very aggressive riders. Same can be said for the 2023 WP XACT Pro Shock. Very good settings, but definitely on the stiff side for the faster riders in mind. For this specific rider, our JBI suspension motocross settings focused on gaining back a lot of that ride comfort and initial plushness, meaning when your wheels first strike a bump or object while riding, and transmitting the least amount of feedback possible to the rider. We focused on doing that while minimizing losing any bottoming control or hold up from the suspension during aggressive riding. And this setting seems to be favored by the majority of riders, amateurs, experienced vet riders, and even most of the faster A riders, as they like it because it beats them up less as they ride, but still features enough hold up for their ability and aggressive riding style. Ride JBI has developed, tested, and tuned many other riding types for this suspension. So if you like Ride JBI to set up your suspension, please give us a call today. Tell us the year, make, and model bike that you have, and we will talk together and see what settings and recommendations we can come up with to get your bike to be handling better. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.